Conquer TOEFL, Practice and Resources Guide. Hello, language learners. Welcome to today's video. Are you gearing up for the TOEFL exam? Today, we're focusing on TOEFL practice tests and resources. We'll help you understand where to find the best resources, how to use them, and how these will get you one step closer to acing your TOEFL exam. Let's dive right in. The Test of English as a Foreign Language, or TOEFL, is a widely recognized English language proficiency exam. It assesses your ability to use and understand English at the university level. The test sections include reading, writing, listening, and speaking. Now, let's talk about why practice tests are vital for your TOEFL preparation. Practice tests help you familiarize yourself with the test format, improve your time management skills, and identify areas where you need improvement. Most importantly, they give you a feel of the real exam scenario, boosting your confidence on the actual test day. There is an abundance of resources available to help you prepare for the TOEFL, including official guidebooks, online courses, practice test websites, and mobile apps. Look for resources that provide comprehensive coverage of the TOEFL sections. Also, ensure that the materials align with the current TOEFL test pattern. Just having resources is not enough. Knowing how to use them effectively is key. Set up a study schedule that includes ample time for reviewing the concepts, practicing, and revising. Utilize the practice tests to assess your performance, identify your weak areas, and then focus on those areas. And remember, quality of study is more important than quantity. Lastly, remember that language proficiency isn't something you can cram overnight. Regular practice is key. Engage in daily reading, writing, listening, and speaking exercises in English. Remember, every bit of practice counts. That's it for today's video, learners. Remember, the road to TOEFL success lies in understanding the exam, using the right resources, and engaging in consistent practice. We hope this video has been helpful in your TOEFL preparation journey. Good luck, and keep practicing.